Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Let's go ahead and get started. I actually have planned on putting more today. I did make a little bit more, but something happened with one of my um, kids, and so I had to go send them some money. So let's go ahead and stuff the $30. I was trying to get like $60 in, y'all. I ain't lying. Like I was pushing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. I have to break down some change again with you. But I'm either way it goes. We got our 30. Let's go ahead and get into it.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you.
Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you for actually being here. I am stuffing $30 every week so I can get $300 to go to North Carolina. If y'all are new, my name is Cassie J. I'm on a journey to be debt free within 6 months, 5 months now. And in September, I am trying to move out of this apartment and get hopefully a house. I'm gonna be, and then I'm moving on to the other side of town. So it's gonna be like maybe an hour and a half away. So I have some debt goals and stuff like that I would actually like to accomplish within a 5 month period. If you are interested to see if I get my debt paid off within 5 months, please subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and like this video, and stay tuned. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here again. I am Cassie J. I am trying to stay focused on this $300, y'all. I ain't playing. I figured if I work a little bit harder, I can get it done. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. No, there's only 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I had to count again, y'all, because I just knew I was wrong. I wanted there to be another dollar in here, so I didn't have to go through all of them. There's 6 of them, so never mind. All right, so let's. All right, and then this one, who has a couple in here? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And if y'all hear my son in the background, I do apologize. I tried to get him to be quiet earlier, but he is playing a game that's very competitive with someone, and these people are like telling him that he's not good at it, and like being so rude about him being younger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he goes on there and he doesn't care if he's younger or not, whatever. And at first I was kind of like, you know what, if they don't want you to play with them, don't play with them. Like it's not that big of a deal. It's just a video game. And so he was like, but I can beat them. And I was like, I know you can. I was like, matter of fact, go beat them, right? So he goes on and he was like, I'm not getting off. If y'all don't want to play with me, y'all don't have to play because I'm not going to get off the game, whatever and whatever. So he starts, talking to these people and ends up winning. And so now they want to be his friend, and they're mad because he doesn't want to be their friend. And they're like, oh, friend us. And he's like, no, I'm good. So if y'all hear him, he's like in the background. I do apologize. All right. He's always in the background, actually. All right, so we have 1. I really like putting it at the top. 5, because then their cards don't get mixed up with the money. 3, 4, and 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Flip again at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip again at 2. 1, 2, 3. Couldn't get all the coins. And I'm not doing IOUs. I feel like a barely even manage what I got now. Let's do this. All right, so this one, again, this one's a mystery. These challenges are digital in the shop, so if you're interested, please go check them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have an Etsy shop that's with Olympia, and she is linked in the description down below. And this is going to be folded. And we have a physical Etsy shop, but right now we only have digital things that are in the shop. We don't have physical right now, so we don't know exactly when we plan on opening it. And honestly, if I'm being honest, I would like for it to be opened on May 4th, which is the day that my uncle had passed away. Just for good luck, I feel like that would be a perfect day for me to open up the shop and start all over. And with a new clean slate, all the old stuff out and leave stuff in, just cause. So if y'all are interested, please go check that out. Favorite the shop if you can, and let us know that you had stopped by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And let's do an 8 and 4 folded. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we could put it towards something else. So we're putting this in the back. This 4 is going to try to knock out another 8. And 8 is the biggest number that we have. Yep, so we try to knock out the 8. Ooh. All right, and then we have this one. And this one is going to be folded. So we're going to try to knock out a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So folded. Nothing is going to be colored. All right, and that is going to be it for this week. I really appreciate each and every one of you watching these actually grow to color. See who's actually going to be finished first. This one has a while to go, y'all. Look at that, a while to go, y'all. So thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on. I know these videos are kind of short. I do apologize for that. But stay tuned for the next week. Again, I do weekly challenges. I do weekly check-ins. I do Uber vlogs. So if you're interested to see how much money I'm making with my Uber vlogs, please check them out. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye, guys.